Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I got woken up to. I was just about fast asleep when I heard crackling, and my God, it's so close. It's roughly about 30, 40, 50 metres away from my car. Utterly bonkers. Had I fallen asleep? God knows. Oh my God. On Christmas Day. Thank you, Lord, for saving my life. Oh my God, this is crazy. This is bonkers. I just called the emergency services. They're here now. Hopefully they can contain this bushfire. Yeah, it was a bit scary. Oh my God, it's coming towards me. Oh no. And let's see if I can zoom in a bit more. You can see the flames a little bit. There we go, you can see the flames now. Oh my God, that time it's coming this way. This is crazy. I might have to move my car very shortly. Oh my God. Thank God I got woken up. Who knows? I mean, that's the police. The police is on site. Still no sign of the fire brigade. The fire trucks are not here yet. And the police car's over there somewhere.